Alright, today I'm going to do a short walk around review of my bike that I bought yesterday. It's a 1998 KTM 200 EXC. It's a two-stroke. It's a small bike. It's registered in Australia. I think it was a pretty good bike. Okay, so got the 98 KTM 200 EXC. It's registered. Got all the lights. My number plate's underneath here. It's got indicators. It's got some sort of exhaust. I'm not sure if it's a stock exhaust or not. New rear tyre. Got the Brembo brakes. WP shock. And kickstart. Expansion chamber. It's had a few hits, I'm not too worried about it. It's got the original speedo, which is pretty cool. 2541 kilometers. It's got the old school forks. I like them. It's got a brand new front tyre. It's got the headlight. It works. It's got indicators. They work. 2 radiators. Or the expansion chamber. It's had a few hits. Not worried about it. It's carbureted. Gear shifter. Foot pegs. Could do it for new chain, I guess. Sprocket looks pretty factory. Only thing I noticed, it was missing a couple bolts here for the air filter. I'm not really worried about that.